Good morning, guys. I'm on my way to head over to dealer options. One of the essential things for the Denali actually just came in, which is this. This is aux to your lightning adapter, or I guess aux to lightning cable, because this truck has stock radio. It does have Bluetooth capability where I can talk to people, but it doesn't have the Bluetooth capability where I can play music. So I need this. I may eventually get a new head unit so I can do Bluetooth music as well as put a system in here. But as of right now, a $15 cable will just do fine.
Forgets the punchline and still gets me every time. Every little thing about her love. And just a little thing.
GoPro. Oh. We're going about 45 miles per hour right now.
We're streaming?
We're streaming live. Oh,
yeah, this is a live stream from Dealer Options Incorporated here in Martinez, Georgia. You're looking at about 67 degree temperature outside. It's looking pretty nice, maybe a little cooler than that. Fair skies. It's gonna be going, folks. Stay tuned. And
boom. He's gonna drive my truck. I'm gonna drive his truck.
he's gonna drive my truck. And I'm gonna drive his truck.
Let's go. Alright boys, we're in Connor's Denali, which is essentially the same thing as mine. Very identical inside. His truck has the PPEI tune. I'll tell you guys more about it once he gets in the car and he starts driving, because I don't want to be filming and driving someone else's vehicle. Bye bye truck. Getting an alignment done. See you in about 2 hours, right? Maybe. Maybe longer.
Maybe.
Oh my God.
Maybe not. But maybe.
Yeah, Connor, your truck's a bit quicker than mine. Is it? But then that's only at 100 horsepower tune right now, or 120. I'm not gonna mess with a bigger tune until I get a lift pump. And ultimately I put a CP3 in it. Let's send it. still blowing a lot of smoke. I didn't get to see it.
And that was alright.
That was alright. Alright, so I'm gonna film.
Ooh, double filmage.
Double filmage. I'm gonna film you rolling coal.
Like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment what you want to see next. JW Montoya YouTube channel. #1 in the nation.
Number one in the nation. Number one in Augusta.
Fastest growing. Can't stop us. Can't stop him. Can't stop us.
Can't be stopped.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And stay tuned.
And comment.
And comment.
We gotta get Spencer's truck out here too. That's pretty good. Breeze repellent.
What is going on, guys? You're here with JW Montoya, special guest,
Connor.
Country Connor.
Country Connor. I need to scrape pipe mine ASAP. Get rid of the muffler.
Oh, we got Hot Rod coming in behind us. He is flying.
Oh boy! Dude, he's gonna be pissed.
Okay. He was flying at me first.
Yo, he's not so close anymore though.
True.
Yeah, he's keeping his distance now. Look, he's like way back there.
He's afraid of us.
Afraid of us. See, that's not a diesel. That's a gas 2500. Let me know when you're gonna send it.
Alright. We got a stop sign up here, so
My train horn would have been good.
You hear my train horn?
Gotta say, train horn is actually one of my favorite parts about that truck. Ooh, you see that?
Oh, stop sign. This one always sneaks up on you.
This one? You're gonna go straight or?
Heck no. I'm going straight here. Ain't doing that traffic.
That's your CP4 screaming, help, help. Yeah, me and Connor, we were talking about our CP4s because we both still have stock CP4. And his CP4 actually blew up already once. And he's actually scared that
I'm really happy it did. I'm just glad it did.
Yeah?
So I can replace it with another one.
You should have just put CP3 in there when they had to fix it.
Shoulda.
Coulda.
They covered the parts for me though.
They just charged you for labor. Let's show everybody your dad's truck real quick. It's been a while. I have a lot of new people. Come on, let's show them your dad's truck. It's a
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Club Truck.
club truck.
We're here, dealer options.
That was diesel
All
options.
your accessory needs. Come get them. If you're about it, get the BDS coilover conversion. Best ride on the market. Won't be dissatisfied. Best thing you can buy. BDS coilover, 3.5 inch or 6 inch. If you're a man, if you're really a man, you'll do it at dealer options.
So you're saying your
Come
dad's
see
not a
us.
man?
he's an older man.
As an older man. But if you're just a regular man.
Yeah, this is good for him. BDS coilover conversion. Got the track bars. Doesn't need them, but we got them anyways. Because we might need them one day.
Yeah, you might full send one day.
Will we do it?
Are you really gonna tune it?
Will we? We don't know, man.
L5P.
Stay tuned.
Huh.
Stay tuned.
No pun intended. Alright, so just picked up my truck from Dealer Options. GMC. We're gonna GMC. Toyota. No. We're gonna go for a test ride or just joyride on Connor's Duramax because Richard doesn't Richard doesn't know how fast it is. Richard, front row, front seat. Prius repellent. Alright, Richard, here you go. You can hold it.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy JW, JC, back at it again. This is not going that one away.
Oh, you got a sub on it?
Oh, the amp's in the way. Just push it back.
Is that an aftermarket? That's a stock radio, isn't it? You got a stock radio? I mean, stock, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's the same as yours, you dingling.
It looks a little bit different, you dingling.
Such a liar. Oh, mine's the new version.
Yeah, by 1 year. I didn't think it would be different.
Mine's way newer.
Way newer. Richard, make sure you see yourself. Where are we going? Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good.
What am I doing?
Hold it.
I don't know how to do this, man.
Hold it. Let people see your face.
Give him a facial.
But
No, they're not ready for it.
they're not ready for it.
We gotta keep it PG.
Richard, are you ready for it?
Yo, what is going on, guys?
It's your boy JC. We already went for a ride earlier.
So what's the difference between this and yours? As far as
this
what's
one's
on?
quicker.
It's quicker? Why is it quicker?
Because he has a 200 horsepower tune right now and a lift pump. Send it.
It screams.
Go ahead. I like it. See all that like smoke?
No, I didn't. My eyes got, like, they rolled back into the head because it was so quick. Don't be scared, man. Just send it.
He pulled me over.
It's actually good tasting.
Go, full set, baby. You done?
Yeah. See, this is why I couldn't YouTube, man.
Why?
I don't have the attention span. Like, I got bored holding the camera.
You're just like your son.
Yeah.
Alright, see you later.
Let us know, John, how it is.
Alright.
If not, we'll go F it up.
Alright. Yo, that's a nice Camaro. Is this Camaro any fast?
It's actually a boat.
Oh, it's a boat.
Yeah.
Ah.
I didn't really get 5 tips. 4 tips. 4.0.
Oh, that man's extra.
I do want one.
What? Duramax or this? Oh, you want a Duramax now?
I want one of these.
Wait, hold on. What do you want now?
I want one of these, see.
What?
I want a Mustang.
But what'd you say before?
I want a 5.0.
You want a Duramax?
No, 5.0.
Alright.
Don't worry. Duramax is coming.
For you? Or him?
For me?
You just bought this.
I know. We're going to pay it off. And then we'll buy me Duramax.
You're gonna pay this off. here's the finished product. Cognito upper control arms. Yeah, I could definitely crank up the torsion bars just a little bit more, but I want to keep that flat angle on the BDS lift kit. Yep, Cognito box shocks, and then the BDS lift kit. Name a better combo than that. Initial review for the Cognito upper control arms with Fox shocks and the 6-inch BDS lift. That is a solid combo. This truck rides better than a Cadillac. It rides so smooth now. It's crazy how much of a difference like your upper control arms make, because this thing just it rides so smooth, even with tires that are like bald. Once I get new tires, man, this thing's gonna be so good, especially for traveling, because it just rides so well right now. I'm super impressed by it. So I was hesitant between this and the Kryptonite. Of course, I was actually leaning more towards getting a Kryptonite, and yeah, a lot of you guys were telling me, why don't you just get Kryptonite? I got a better deal on the Cognitos. That was honestly one of the main reasons why I went with Cognito. But obviously, I'm gonna go with all Kryptonite front end components coming up, like tie rods and idle and pitman arm and all that stuff. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm super impressed with the Cognito upper control arm so far, and it was worth the money. And now that alignment's done, this truck, it rides so good. And there was a cop right there. Hopefully he didn't see me. And there is a, oh man, idiots. I don't know if the camera captured it, but there was an accident. Oh man, I'm an idiot. I just missed the turn. I just missed the turn to go eat. Dang, I'm an idiot. Oh man, y'all distracted me. I'm just kidding. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.